So the key question is, how do you gain user acceptance across ecosystems? When you think of there are multiple voice assistants, there are multiple touch points where you interact with voice. So how do you really increase and gain user acceptance? Because without user acceptance, this is not going to work, which is why you also see that it's not really proliferated everywhere as we hoped it to be, even after a decade of existence of voice assistants. And how do you design this in an interoperable way? So to listen to this question, I would like to introduce Jon Stine, the Executive Director of Open Voice Network, a Linux Foundation community that is currently working on developing standards, especially interoperability and data privacy standards for voice technology. I'm really happy that Deutsche Telekom is part of this Open Voice Network, and we are contributing not just, let's say, paperwork, but actual real implementation into making this whole standards that I believe are really crucial for interoperability as well as the data privacy concerns that people have. So let's hear from Jon what he has to say about this business challenge.
Interoperability, that's assistant-to-assistant, platform-to-platform interoperability, will unlock the value of voice technology for both individual users and enterprise users. Interoperability is the key to economic growth with voice, and economic growth that is shared broadly. At the core of interoperability is that critical foundational concept of user trust. You just heard from Reghu about the use case of user authentication. Let's assume you want to make a bank transaction using your voice. Now, this will involve multiple steps accomplished by different partners, all working together to make the whole process seamless for you, regardless of local regulations. Now, this is what makes user trust so important. It's what makes user trust the most valuable currency of the digital age. We're now on the edge of a new communications paradigm. That is, it's a touchless web of voice. Envision a worldwide voice web. Building user trust demands an ecosystem of partners that comply to the same data privacy, data security, and message sharing standards and protocols. At the Open Voice Network, we're just thrilled that Deutsche Telekom is willing and able to make a leading role in this new digital age of voice.
So, as you heard from Jon, interoperability is quite key, and we as Deutsche Telekom, we are quite happy that we are participating in this whole standardization work.